Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm the director and founder of Goldman Associates. Our firm has a primary focus on family law, and it's a very interesting issue. You know, our viewing audience gives us the subject matter that oftentimes we use when we make these videos. And you know, people say, "Hey, I'd like to find out about this or that," and I try to provide that information. Here's a great one. If I have no parenting time, do I still have to pay child support? That's such a common issue. You'd be surprised because people will call up and say, "Well, I want to get this kind of parenting time or that. I want 6 days a week." And if the court says, "Well, I'm sorry, we're not going to do that. We're going to split it up 3 days, 4 days, and then next week 4 days, 3 days," they say, "Well, forget it then. Then I don't want any, and I'm not paying support." You have to understand one thing. While the amount of parenting time you have overnight-wise is plugged into the formula to determine support, it's not hand-in-hand, meaning that if you choose not to see your kids, if you decide you're signing them off, you're not interested in involvement with them, I got news for you. You still got to pay support. Your kids and your ability to see them is a benefit to you. It's presumably a benefit to them also. But if you are of the frame of mind that you don't want involvement with them, and maybe for them, if that's the kind of parent you are, it's better that they not have involvement with you, don't think for a minute that that absolves you of paying support. You still have to pay that support. So if your theory is, "Well, I don't like paying $500 a month, so therefore I'm just going to," what people always say to me, "I want to sign off on my kids." You can sign off from today till tomorrow. You can not see them even if you don't sign off. But guess what? Support is still going to be there. They still have to eat. They still need clothing. They still have recreational needs. They still have every need that every kind of child has. And just because you choose to not be an influential part of your child's life doesn't mean that you're not a financial part of his life. You brought that kid into the world, you're going to pay support. If you have any questions about that, reach out. We'll be glad to help you out.